Question number 9. Seniors at two universities take the graduate record examination. Students from the first institution earn a mean of 520. Those from the second institution earn a mean of 505. The standard deviation of this test is 100. Would you say that the seniors at the first institution seem to be A, much superior to those at the second, B, a little superior to those at the second, different, but it's hard to say without knowing the range, or D, normally distributed? So essentially, when you have a standard deviation, it gives you pretty much a clue what's the average variation of the scores. So considering that the difference between one mean scores of one institution could be 520 and the other institution's 505, we're really talking about the difference to be about 15 points. Now, the question is 15 points a big difference compared to those? Considering that the average variation of scores is 100, and considering that 15 is relatively lower or much lower than 100, so the difference between 505 520 is 15, and the average amount of variation is 100. This seems to be a low number difference based on this variation. So it just gives you a relative point of reference for you to make a judgment like that. So in my opinion, it would be a little superior to those at the second institution.